Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day here in Cebu City. And right now, I'm actually standing at the actual site of the newest condo here in Cebu City, the Rice at Monterrazas.
Hello everyone, Denise Manubag here, licensed real estate broker and unit manager from Filipino Homes, and we're back with another condo feature here in the city of Cebu, the Rice at Monterrazas. The newly launched condominium project, The Rice, is the first of its kind in Cebu and the Philippines for its architectural design, heavily inspired by the beautiful Banawe Rice Terraces, one of the Philippines' national treasures, with its cascading levels and natural free-flowing design. It is conveniently located at the mountainside of Barangay Guadalupe, one of the biggest residential areas of Cebu City. The building's architecture is unique, eye-catching, and inspiring, making it a new architectural landmark in Cebu, giving unit owners the best of both worlds, living in the heart of the city but also enjoying the peace and serenity of the mountains with amazing views of Cebu City skylines. At night, you can see the outlines of light that draw the flowing lines of the development. Very green and very lush. It feels like you're wrapped in nature. Experience the luxury of expansive outdoor spaces and all of the advantages of a home with the convenience of condominium living. Developed by Mount Property Group, The Rice is a 20-story pre-selling luxury residential condo with 3-level podium parking, equipped with a provision for electric vehicle charging. Each unit owner is entitled to a parking slot with average size of 12.5 to 18.5 square meters. Main lobby is located at the 4th floor along with a guest parking. Residential units start at the 5th floor with only 7 villas and residential parking. 6th floor are all 3-bedroom villas. Higher floors are a mix of 3-bedroom villas and loft villas. On the 9th floor is where we can find the amenities such as swimming pool, function room, and gym. On the 14th to 15th floor, we have the bi-level pool villas. And located at the top floor are 5 special loft villas and the majestic panorama penthouse. Total of 146 units only. The Rice condominium features 6 inclined elevators and 5 vertical elevators spread across the development. To protect the privacy of each unit owner, a strip of greenery is placed outside. Not only just to be as green as possible, but a conscious design effort to protect the privacy of unit owners and a good distance from the railing to the edge of the unit. For the 3-bedroom villas, you can choose either with or without jacuzzi on the outdoor area. Each unit owner is entitled with 2 parking slots and 1 detached storage area behind your unit. For loft villas, outdoor area comes with a pergola and jacuzzi. This villa also comes with its own private lift. Loft villas have 2 bedrooms on the ground floor and 2 bedrooms on the second floor. Each unit owner is entitled with 3 parking slots and 1 detached storage unit. Outdoor area comes with a pool deck, pergola, full-size swimming pool, and an outdoor bar area. Bi-level pool villas have 4 bedrooms on the second floor. This villa also comes with its own private lift. Outdoor area comes with a pavilion, pool deck, full-size swimming pool, and a jacuzzi. Penthouse unit owner has a direct access to its penthouse mansion, and it comes with 10 parking slots, 1 detached storage area, and 1 detached service area. Amenities at the Rice include a large infinity pool and kiddie pool. We also have an open bar and lounge where you can enjoy food and drinks by the pool. A function hall that can accommodate up to 150 people, a fitness gym overlooking the pool and city view, male and female saunas and shower rooms, in a future commercial strip near the entrance of Monterrazas de Cebu. Alright, now let's move on to answer some frequently asked questions. Is the Rice a pet-friendly condo? The answer is yes. Household pets are allowed subject to restrictions set forth in the Master Deed of Restrictions and Rules. When is the turnover of the villas? Target turnover is 2028. What are the sustainable features of the Rice? The Rice has its own rainwater catchment and irrigation system, solar supplemented amenities, provision for EV charging for each parking lot, and approximately 1 hectare of abundant landscaping. The Rice is also officially registered for Verde certification. Verde certification in the Philippines is a green building rating system that assesses and recognizes environmentally sustainable and energy-efficient buildings. Can foreigners own a villa at the Rice? The answer is yes, since the Rice is a condominium. Philippine condominium law allows foreigners to buy and own a condominium in the Philippines subject to 60-40 ratio, where 40% of the units can be owned by foreigners and 60% of the villas are owned by Filipinos. What are the requirements to reserve a villa? And that concludes our video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you are interested to reserve a villa at the Rice, please contact me on my email and mobile number listed below this video. This has been Denise. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.